is ticking, running out. It will leave you in the dust, and it don't care about you like you think it does. Oh, 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 this clock on the wall, why won't it just stop, but won't just it fall and break, so we can spend a little more time together? Whoa, 'cause baby I want you, and baby I need you in my life. Oh, I do. And baby, 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 I don't ever want you to go. Clock is still sitting on the wall, ticking and talking, moving on by you and me. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna be, or are we just gonna just be me? Let me know, because the time is going and I'm going a little crazy without you, my baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Catch it before it leaves you. Oh, 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 yes, he will.